Hey everyone, welcome back. In one of my previous tutorials, I showed you how to rotate the centerpiece of a 3x3 super or picture cube 180 degrees. Now in today's video, we are leveling it up a little bit. I'm going to show you how to rotate the top and front centerpieces 90 degrees at the same time. This is really useful when you're solving a super cube or a picture cube and the centers are twisted in opposite directions. In this video, I will show you two cases where you need to rotate the centerpieces 90 degrees. In the first case, you need to rotate the top center 90 degrees clockwise and the front center 90 degrees counterclockwise. Hold your cube with a rotated centerpiece facing you and the other one on top. Then apply this algorithm. U, E, M, E prime, M prime, U prime, M, E, M prime, E prime. With that, the two center pieces are rotated 90 degrees and the puzzle cube is solved. Now, in case 2, if you need the opposite, the top center 90 degrees counterclockwise and the front center 90 degrees clockwise. Again, hold the cube with a rotated centerpiece facing you and the other one on top. This time, apply this algorithm. U prime, E, M, E prime, M prime, U, M, E, M prime, E prime. With that, the two center pieces are rotated 90 degrees and the puzzle cube is solved. And that's it. Practice both cases a few times so you can recognize which direction you need before you start the algorithm. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more cube tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.